Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson. I want to walk you through a brand new Harris 2021. This is a 250 cruiser, so 25 feet in length. This particular one we did with the black. This is a tri-tune, and this has the Performance Level 2 package, so a little bit upgraded tunes to help you get through some of that rougher water. A couple options I'll show you. We do have the nice docking lights on both sides. You've got, like I said, the black that goes all the way up and down the side. Again, cruiser 250, 25 feet in length. With the upgraded tunes, you get the nice ski tow bar up here, so you can do any sort of tubing, wakeboarding, skiing. And to help you do that, we got the Mercury. This is a 200 horsepower Merc on the back of this pontoon. It gives you more than enough power to get everybody up skiing or tubing or whatever you guys want to do. So let's take a look on the interior at all the options. Welcome to the interior. This particular layout is called the CS layout. This is the standard layout for the Harrises this year. This is a little bit different than what you might see on most pontoons, but it's kind of like what they call a single lounger, but it doesn't have a backrest that folds back and forth. You get the nice seating right in the back. And then right up underneath here, pop this open, you get amazing storage. So I've got storage down in here. I've got a little bit of storage back up in here. You have so many things sometimes that you bring with you that it's great to have this area. And then on the other side, we got a cooler. So that's an awesome add. Not a lot of pontoons have built-in coolers. So put some ice in there. It's got a drain and you're set. Cup holders back over there as well, along with a USB. Then we come in, I'll actually point you upward a little bit. This is our 12-foot Bimini, and obviously you can see it is open right now, so it goes pretty much all the way to here to the back, so if you want to get in the shade, you can be in this area here. You've got nice L-shaped seating. This is very traditional for most pontoons. You've got storage under here and under here. It's on a hinge, and then right in there you can see the cover. We've got batteries under there with a battery switch. I've got a garbage can underneath here. And then they redid the helm for 2021, so a little bit of a redesign. You've got nice big gauges in this one. We got some other controls here. And like I mentioned, this is a Mercury 200. So with the Mercury 200, you do get digital throttle, which makes it so much easier just to maneuver the boat. The Helm Seat. We did order this with the high back, so it gives you plenty of support for your back. You've got armrests that go up and down. This does do recline, so you can recline it, and it will spin all the way around to get in a conversation over here. Standard Fusion stereo head unit, so it's a Bluetooth. You've got 4 speakers throughout the pontoon. We also did this little add in here. It's a little piece of C-deck. You can put keys or whatever you want, but you do have a wireless phone charger. So that's kind of nice. You bring a phone on. You've also got some USBs and a 12 volt right there. Cup holder for your drink. I've got storage underneath here. And I also have some storage underneath here. If you want to, you could add a changing room. Pretty easy to do. We can order that in and we can put a changing room in there. Something they did in the 25-foot pontoons is they made this door wider, and the reason they did that is because now you could bring a wheelchair on here. So a wheelchair fits in here with that wide. As you're coming through, you can see this is 25 feet in length, so you've got plenty of storage up in here. You can lift these up, and there's storage under there. It's all on hinges. We got cup holders up here with USBs, and I didn't quite mention it, but the interior is called the Beach Tan. This is a new color for 2021. It looks awesome. So if you want to see this boat or any other Harrises that we have here, call MarineMax of Rogers, and you can book an appointment or just come on by, and we'd love to show you this on the boats that we have in our showroom. As always, click the like button and click to subscribe to see all the videos we're putting out every day.